Anthony Kabaka 914 million.
Oh, but that one, they give her that money because me don't fed. I don't fed 10.
They give her to compensate her for the hotel where Obaseki break. To show say the Okpebolo is trying. Person wey be say they fall our hand. Now be our brother wey be Benin man wey be a deputy governor. Deputy governor is not a show saying a deputy governor. You know they do conny. We need to tell the truth, my brother. If na your man pikin go me. If na your man pikin be deputy governor, you know they trap on us. You yourself now you will fail in Sota.
My brother,
if your man pikin as deputy governor, you know they trap for you. Or you know they trap for any of una. Now you will fail come in Sota. You where they talk.
No, I know go in Sota. Why? Because everybody, for family, everybody get the way they take bring them up. You know understand? Where not be your area of specification? Where not be your area?
Which area?
Nobody carries area of specification come this life. Our president today. Our president
Tinubu get result.
Tinubu not get result. That's what they talk. That's what they tell
us. Tinubu get result.
Bros, may I talk? Tinubu, what did they tell us? Tinubu they drag result today, but now be our president. Not the way not do. Do you know how many ministers will not get school sat? Bros, not they use not the reason those things. There are so many positions for Nigeria where be say they never get school sat, but they hold big power. Now your brother body what show say maybe brother not the educator, your brother not the this one. Not the reason that your brother fit go school for Germany. Your brother can go school in Germany. Not boy say go school for Benin. You dey hear me so? Your brother can go school in Germany. So for you coming out to say you where they talk, my brother, nobody will be happy that your own blood brother, the same papa, the same mama, as a deputy governor, you know they act, you know they try. You think say na better thing? Your own brother, deputy governor, you know they try. You go they do kino like snake. You go they do kino like snake. Maybe you don't know what they do. More they talk.
Whoever paper now, whoever paper go ever say a brother and deputy governor, you know go, you no need to help him. He don't already get money. You don't even know say maybe a pipe the sukma. You go
they talk truth now. The man not they try.
You go use that in name. You take cover the family. The
man not they try. More they talk truth. The man they try. Somebody that you have used everything to support the brother. What now? You never use everything to support the brother.
Before you ever campaign for a brother see money can't give and say make the whole life video make the campaign for her. Other kind of things. He has kind of money, nothing. Anywhere went through, they mean one they talk and where.
So people will see truth, they know if you talk.
Yeah. Now the more you try for Dennis, no matter what.
So people will see
hello,
truth.
Wait, please, 1 minute first. Go ahead. Listen, man, I tell you one thing. This mentality where we get, sometimes we need to still bring out and most still think ourselves. You know understand? So it's like we they talk and I say, so long say Eddie Murphy brother don't dey there. Eddie Murphy must be rich. Is that
rich?
No, he must help him for where may come be principal. I be may go be Minister of Defense.
Wait, there go wait. May I tell you, there go when they give a SSA. When the SSA not be the same campaign, when the Murphy campaign not be the campaign. Wait till they talk.
To say that the same campaign, where they campaign. You know where you they talk so where they come. You know who bring them in. You know who bring them in. You know what they submitted. You know how they fought.
Wait, okay, how they fought. Okay, the Murphy not fought.
The Murphy not fight.
He's not fought.
The Murphy campaign for your brother. You understand?
Okay, campaign your brother.
The brother, thank God, he back on win. But the way we dey talk for social media, it's just like I said, the Murphy brother don't dey there.
Yes, I don't understand.
He must become rich overnight.
Wait. Let me answer you.
Gomez, wait. Let me tell you one thing. One thing where you don't understand for this life. I swear to God Almighty, if I be the host, I don't drop it from this platform. You know what?
I know that because your own mindset is different from every other person. Because not be the thank God not be your platform.
Listen, I talk to you. Don Prince, I agree to you.
I agree to you, Baba.
You know one thing, Gomez. One thing I will tell you. You not suppose. Beneath the reason parable say, "I want to know we not really. Everything I be really. No one know You know the meaning of that parable. See,
Bros, explain now where.
listen.
Yeah, Joseph. Yeah, doing what do?
Okay.
Okay.
Ma explain that parable
Yeah,
to
follow
you.
everybody here. Follow
Ma explain
everybody
that
here, guys.
parable to
Follow
you.
everybody
Listen.
here, guys. Follow
That
everybody here,
parable
guys.
say, you not suppose make go day time. Go still they give birth. If wisdom are there around. You know.
That's supposed to be.
Okay. What you want to tell you, Denko, now the Murphy brother, younger brother. Listen. The Murphy not supposed they abroad by now. See they do 1 or 2 years, then could be not be entitlement with the talk. We are not talking about saying entitlement, it must help them. But at the time, if they pray, may person family, may they hear their name. If they don't hear our name, Baba, use the opportunity to help your environment, help your community. We never know what where will they do for that Nigeria. Who be say some people don't know. Where will they empower the Asian people? Where?
Bros, before we go enter Okpewo, they empower this thing. You see, and they talk about mentality since. It's like you
No, the mentality when they talk about, they talk about entitlement.
You don't see talk. You don't get talk say we make parable, all those Bini parable. Oh, we don't make him a bro. You understand?
Gomez, you know they talk, yes. It's made this massive answer you now. You know me. You know
you ask me question, I know answer now.
There you go, I'll give you time to talk. Let the guy talk.
I dare yes, sister. I dare listening to you. Everybody right here say may they drop you, say your contribution is not going.
Because their mindset that they get a soured mind.
Baba, listen, I'll tell you one thing. Baba, listen, make I tell you one thing. As you did now, may God come bless you tomorrow. You can't do one government office. They can't give you one seat. You don't empower your brothers. You don't empower your family. Correct. You don't empower your community.
Bros. If I take one position,
they don't hear your name. They don't even know whether you do anything.
Wait. If you one question when you ask me, make a quick answer you now. You say if I dey power, whether I not go empower my brother, I go empower my brother when he get qualification to that empowerment.
Which qualification? Listen. When you be governor,
now when we see they run in a square round boss.
Talk about qualification. Listen, Gomez, listen, I'll tell you one thing. When Lucky Gbenedion be governor, you know say who made Bobby's what today and Lucky Gbenedion, you know. Listen now, you know. But why you can't say person not get school start now, so not get this one? You not get any office, you not get position. We go place it, brother.
Primary school, primary.
You wait now.
Follow this page. Follow everybody you see here, guys. Don't arrest social media president.
The secondary school result. Now they take the contest of governor president.
No, the secondary school result. They take the contest for president. Most people say you go.
Where you dey?
I did Germany.
You dey Germany. Bros, Mr. Wonder, where you dey?
I did
Germany.
Okay, all of una dey Germany, una comot for Benin. But una still get that secondary school certificate, abi? Una still get.
But now we keep we never use it again.
Why una not go? Una for say go na me do better now. Me no get anyone. Me no enter Ghana.
So fast, may you forget this matter.
No, the thing is that it's annoying when I hear my people they talk say because my brother is there, my father is there. Listen, my father before he died he was an educationalist. So because of that, you know me say because of say if I don't pass exam, my father will promote me. But no, it's not done. It is not done.
Okay, wait now. I ask you question.
My brother,
they ask you question. I say which result they take the contest for
my brother, I'm not telling you what did they do online, sister? You are the constitution. I'm sorry to say.
Bro, priest, where in Mr. Wonder, Wetin make constitute nuisance, abi?
Yeah.
You see that, Prince? Is that okay by you, Prince?
We are not playing here.
No, we are not playing.
I agree the house.
We don't dey play here.
Me 1 minute. Listen, is that okay by you?
I agree the house.
Wait, may other person talk. May other person talk. May other person talk.
Okay, you want to follow? You want to cover that one now?
May other person talk. May other person talk. May other person talk.
You fit pick me up.
Brother Gomez, may you rest small. Because
May you wait another person talk. Osarobo just enter. Osarobo talk to us.
Bros, now good evening. I agree the house.
Osarobo talk to us.
I agree the house. So now good evening.
Hello, Osarobo, are you there?
I'm here. Now good evening.
The house greet you. The house greet you.
When I see these bros where they talk, so I don't know. These bros where they talk, say
Continue, they hear you.
Brother. These bros, I don't understand that. These bros, they lack of sense. You don't get wisdom. Anything wisdom not they head. Okpeboro, he said, Okpeboro not go school. Okpeboro, go see Okpeboro. Go see English where they speak for UK. Who put on that? Not be Chomule, not be brother, Aishan brother. Okpeboro go school. Where he say Eddie Murphy, his brother, he don't help her. He say, okay, which position they be there? Wait, bro, I don't
Osabo, as your name sound like Osabo, you be Obote. You hear me?
My
you
bro.
be Obote. As if you Osabo, then you call him be Obote, Jonah.
We gotta be Gomez the Buri.
Why is this?
I can't use bottle to design you. You are a bloody idiot. You are a fool. You be idiot.
Let me make my submission.
You know understand with
me, idiot, agro boy.
Let me make my submission.
Gomez,
brother wait.
No,
No,
you
it's
say
not.
no,
No,
you
it's
say no. The other one fed talk. You go come back on top with the ball.
Let me make my.
I know it's not you. Wait, I know it's not you.
Bloody fool, a compound fool.
Let me make my submission.
Wait,
Who don't insult person? Yes, sis. Who don't insult person?
Guys, double tap, guys.
Don't we're moderating
Okay,
platform.
please.
wait, I know it's not now.
Tell me to warn them.
Wait.
He's talking jack. Idiot.
I know it's not. Wait now, may you calm down. I know it's
Brother,
not.
let me make
I
my
know it's not.
submission.
The word where they use since as a senior man, see they tell us say, see Eddie Murphy, see a brother, see a brother, I tell you brother. You understand?
Well, my guy, my opinion can never be your opinion. I'm not begging you to like my opinion.
You
You know,
understand? So people dey wey dey vex for the issue wey that bros dey talk say Eddie Murphy brother not fit help, he not fit make Eddie Murphy rich, he not fit make Eddie Murphy rich. If na Eddie Murphy dey that position, he go fit still help his brother.
you go help her. You go share the state money now. You go share am for family.
Gomez,
Not be money you wan give her. Na money dey take dey help.
But
Na money dey
guys,
take dey
whether you like it or not, that Edo state now everybody own. Now our own.
Enemy of his brother. Not be only the Murphy na be brother. There are many of his brothers still there around there, and they around down there.
Can you control this platform?
We not fit position.
It's okay, my brother, where you come from. Listen, you understand? Wait, my brother, I'm not telling you what. You go Bazua, where Beck come from.
You understand? I know it's not a brother. If you say
I dey call Mr. Sarabo.
you understand? I know it's not you, but the thing they pay me as
listen.
As soon as I bring the issue, I see the issue, I dey listen to now. My brother, I dey like you understand? People dey talk say, Eddie Murphy
talk now. You
they support Eddie Murphy. Not be say na lie, na true. If na me still get that position, I be Eddie Murphy brother. I be still Eddie Murphy in one position. Okay, my brother, see where you understand? No be say na quarrel say we dey quarrel say brother no give her money. You understand?
Gomez, may I quick tell you something? What you know?
You go work out, my brother.
My brother.
You go work out.
What you know? That
position,
you
don't
if Eddie Murphy dey that position where his brother dey, Eddie Murphy go help that brother subito.
Now they tell you now you go share our money for Rana. Abi?
You dey yarn apata. Wetin make you feel say?
Madam, go hide, go cook for your children. Madam, go cook for your children. You know, yarn apata. Madam, yale rae.
Wetin dey worry you, Gomez? Stupid man, idiot man. See what you dey talk. You don't call like why you not in Nigeria? You dey
It don't
crazy.
be man with the right thing.
People wey dey Europe dey talk to you. You dey hear na pata. You dey crazy, Gomez. Why they worry you? Imagine say your brother na a deputy governor. Like seriously. If me be a brother, I go quit my job. I'll go Nigeria.
Why you not quit go Nigeria, go settle
You
down,
understand?
go
Everybody dey make use of opportunities. That guy
Even as you just drop that guy your snap because the guy just a yarn of
Can you imagine?
platform.
The thing face me, really. Sassy they talk like stupid guy. Where they work for, where they pump tire.
If now some people don't pack their load, go Nigeria.
Imagine me, Don't please I tell you one thing, I don't date very close to deputy governor children before. I know what the opportunities are. You not go fit tell me say Denko and Wetin be Okpewolo come with good intentions, right? But they not go fit talk say they come with good intentions, not to help their own personal people. They not go fit do damage where people don't do for years. They not go fit repair in one day. More they accept that fact. Wetin me I blame social media president for be say don't not go fit this sparkling just because say he brought that day now because he don't they spoil right from years to come. That now one thing where I know say if they like really not they okay with the government, fine. But you see, if my brother now deputy governor, my dear, I not get any need to suffer again. They wake up 6 o'clock, they go work again.
God will bless you, my sister.
It's not just an opportunity. It's a privilege. Privilege where be say I vote for him, I work for him, I do everything. He call my family. Now privilege. May I tell you, Mona they take one thing right, nobody go fit. I pray say thy kingdom come, God go repair those things. But the way one they do am, nobody go fit repair the one I want to. More put that in fact. That na fact. Now small they do them. And all those road one they see and a feeling they do. And before 2 years, 3 years, everything go turn to gallop again. Where me I for blame?
I beg this is how they talk. So more of my follower.
Wait, so may I talk to my I really want to talk because that guy really pissed me off. You are talking from which country? You are not even in a. I know they underrate Europe. You understand? It depends on the business you are doing there. But at the end of the day, let me just tell you one thing. One thing where you don't know, be say, I've been close. I've been to government houses. I've been to deputy governor's house in like years before. I know the privileges the family gets. You understand? For even social media president to even come out and even make that video, it's not enough. It's not enough justification for him to be in the bars or something. But one thing where they tell now, we be so not realize, one thing where I go tell we Nigerians, both diasporas and in Africa, nobody be Jesus Christ. And this demolition or things where be so not good for Edo State, not be the Murphy brother or Pebolo, go come repair for us. The word that social media president said is that Edo is not shining. It's not really shining, but he also had to understand, say, no, his brother go meet Edo shine. But I beg, more give him that privilege to enjoy his brother.
Thank you, Robusa.
You understand that? More give him that privilege, because if na me that family, his brother have to give kudos to. I know say social media president is also not his best self, but I beg that guy will come up again. Ah God, if to say if he slap and through phone, the way we are the best for I for Jesus, Obi wife, Obi children.
Mama no vessel.
I beg carry me come down.
Mommy, thank you very much.
Maybe this person want talk. Anna Belly talk.
Carry me come down. Thank you.
Carry me down. No, boy, thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
I beg not bring that guy come up again. I beg. because the Murphy not do. I want the Murphy they call now they call am. Sorry to say, he not do anything bad. That Nigeria need to be. We need light. We the Europe won't call Nigeria. Won't call enjoy. Won't call relax. Don't be bad thing. Don't be bad thing. That man, that guy do. We won't call house. Won't call enjoy. Won't call live life. You know they say Europe or they get security. Light is all over all over Italy, Europe. Like there everywhere. Security, the police, the army, there. We need protect ourselves for that Nigeria. That not do anything. Maybe that brother we use that for kind of lads. You understand? You know we should take off a brother. You know we should pack money give a brother. You not do anything bad. Nigeria need to be new. Like to be clean.
You like her.
I don't understand.
Wetin dey arrest her for now? He say Edo is not shining. He say Edo is not shining.
We need to
Edo
support the Muffin.
Edo is shining. I go wake up the talk anyhow.
We
Edo
go
dey shine.
support the Muffin. That what we talk. We need to be shy. We need to be abroad. We supposed to be abroad.
Wait, make this get tough finish.
I don't understand. You know that I want to talk too much. Wait, brother need to release that man. That guy talk. He talk in mind. Now you need to be as in big be like abroad. We go come house. We don't tire for other country. We won't come house. Make China for us. You need to China pass down one. As if make it shine Benin, make it shine those states. What did the talk? So see road, see everything. Internet they see everything.
Can't do about our people when they Europe, when they support.
Make it your day. I thought not make it your day on that line.
I want contribute.
Okay, other person talk. Other person talk. Other person talk.
Please.
Yep.
When I wait me a little talk.
Now I want come down, so bro. No, I want come down. No worry, I beg. See. Wait now, just two words I want to talk. In life, they say waiting when you go enter family go they are people. Now can they give pay to family. Are they very ashamed to Dennis? Now waiting family go suppose family go they are people say my brother na deputy.
Share the life, guys. Share the life. Continue to share this life with you guys. Share the life. Follow everybody, guys. Follow.
Follow each other. Because the cost person paid for inside the family. That's a very bad thing.
The gift, guys. Anybody will say gift when I follow.
The month is supposed make they happy now say he brother na deputy, but the month now he can't suffer put say he brother na deputy. I just say na very bad thing. I just say the way he brother go is very bad. I just say because family now waiting that they celebrate with this one.
People are not happy. People not they happy for Dennis, the deputy governor.
No, I always not tell me.
People are not happy for him. For you to arrest your brother, not be your brother. You want to shine.
Yeah, I know
your brother. You want to shine. People are not happy.
Yo, I want to contribute one thing. There are people for family before.
Orobosa, wait, make this guy finish.
May I see contribute? May I see contribute one thing?
Orobosa,
you see this line?
Your
brother is your blood.
Orobosa, wait, make person land first.
I say, waiting person and waiting I use and meet Don Priest. I say, if you know you go on with family, now take go with family, or you do I see a or do I see a family?
Okay, bro.
This one, I waiting family go say, I celebrate or tell one. Or tell a deputy governor who you bought by who will not tell a deputy governor. Or you ask here a battle, your family. That one is very bad. And then it's you maybe a pile I don't forgive or tear or whether we but a banana a police in Mugben or whether we don't know police more money. Oh, you know, I will see big say all that kind of things.
God bless you, bros.
My brother, God will bless you. Now your turn, may you talk. Robosa.
Now, good evening.
My Igua.
I greet you.
Sister, you are welcome.
Sorry. Have you talk? Sorry, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody.
Never reach your turn.
Who they talk now?
Okay, cool. Now,
this one first, this girl with the upcome. Make this one talk with the talk.
Okay, now first let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good afternoon. Good evening, everybody. Yeah, you know the problem we have in Edo State in Nigeria, not really Edo State in Nigeria. not any smart you will say Europe. You just compare Nigeria. Let me tell you something. The problem we have in Nigeria is because people will not qualify. Now when they put for post, they will thief our money. You understand? Let me tell you something. If I want to help my brother, I feel help my brother to do business, to do everything. Because I be governor, I want to go and put my brother for post, say me come be a secretary or come and be something. Now what they explain Nigeria so. But Modukpelo is my brother. Understand? People will not qualify. When they put them for post, they chop the money, they chop those state money. Money when we want to do roads, one person will carry on. Money to do light, one person will carry the money. If it's all the local government now, all the local government now, people will not qualify. Now they put, say they thief our money. Money where they will say they buy transformer, one person will just thief and use and go build hotel, use and build a house. That's the problem we have in Edo State. Let me tell you something. If you say yeah, more do Edo State, more you make Edo State, Edo work well. I swear to God, all these people say no, they don't qualify. When they say, but they are go.
How you tell no say they not qualify? How you tell no?
Okay, let me tell you something. All these local governments, so you know, say for Nigeria, Edo State, now influence they give people post. Okay, you know people they complain now. You don't see plus wait now. Let me say Savini. You don't see Savini brother when we post for this Italy. Savini brother.
Bros, leave that side. That one a story.
No. Nigeria. Bros, now let me talk now. No, if I be governor, I swear to God, if I want to help my brother, I'll help my brother. But you know, so because I be governor, I'll call my brother for post when say not qualified to do it. That's the problem we have in Edo State. If you see local government, they go best of our money.
Wait, which post did not qualify?
No, as in, bros, let me tell you something. For example, I not go school for politician. I not.
My brother,
what did they
talk? That guy not going to the talk.
I beg, man. See, you see this matter. The truth is, even though say a pie Eddie Murphy, they wrong for one side. He not still dey wrong for one side. Na family problem. You understand? This one so where be say the matter now come social media. Everybody go shook my put as it be. Number one, you see Nigeria. May they know they use Europe till they compare Nigeria because when you talk about Europe, Nigeria no even reach. I no even know if I want to talk. You understand? So that Nigeria, so even though say a part the Murphy, he brother no epan, say he real work for that Edo State. You see all those our strong brother. Then when be say, you now understand when I say strong brother, killing for Nigeria is too much.
You say fine.
If all those, if they feel stop all those things, so say maybe they not can do light, they still manage do the road. Okay, you will see many people when they say that they this Europe, they not get document. All of them go relocate, go Nigeria, go put business, go buy better pass my neighbor, go to they do business. But the fear be say road no good, no light. Now they kidnap you. They don't even know whether you get money, whether you not get it. They want buy the person, they go buy the person. So if Eddie Murphy come outside say his brother not help him, reason the things where your brother go still do because your family person dey on seat. Yes, now couple you say you must step, but when they chop, I want to make this parable. When you want eat man money, now small you they eat and so that make the man for no. If Eddie Murphy want eat that brother money, he go they eat and small. Eddie Murphy already get money before his brother. You understand? There is a reason why Eddie Murphy become senior. Senior now senior. You know if you put yourself down for junior. Your own be say may they encourage your junior brother say this thing do one because you know go remain there forever. One day he go come down, another person go enter the post so that if he use the hand take boast say yes, my brother was among people that repair Nigeria or repair those states. You understand? Say you can't they say your brother must help you, your brother must help. If he still help you, say maybe you can open one kind business for you, you relocate, go Nigeria. People go still talk, people go still insult you, people go still drag you, say, no, now your brother help you, your brother not do road, your brother not do this. You understand? So make everybody benefit for it. Your own family go benefit for it. Other people go benefit for it so that when you come down, people go still vote for you again. May you come because you don't do one, you go do two again. You understand? Yeah. So me, I'm not blaming Eddie Murphy for anything, but in the other side, those states already, not only God go just intervene for that country Nigeria, not only God now and prayer. You understand? Say Edo is not shining. normally everybody they make comment, everybody they talk, everybody they throw party, but there is not shine, it's not be anybody name.
My sister.
People were
My
there
sister.
before a brother Abi. So there is
my
not
sister.
shine, it's not be anybody name. And be saying a family problem.
Wait, the
My
girl
sister,
bros
God bless you.
Girl bros, this bros say get what talk. Wait, Robert, wait. These bros were big something. I don't know big something. What to be on talk?
Okay. Greet you now, big guys. Good evening.
Okay, bigger talk.
When I went on now, because that guy be say we dey talk just now when they talk about Salvini and Italy and this other one. Now because that guy become up. Now European now with dey. You see Italians. Now then I do my brother, my sister pass. Now them don't pass. Look their system here. Who gets small Salomeria? A wife brother go dey work there. A wife sister go dey work there.
Thank God, my God, Ama you be.
All of them go dey work there.
All of them follow this guy when they talk.
If one person enter politics,
One
na
of
so
them
they
follow
drag
am.
themselves follow body dey go. So why that guy come dey talk just now say whether Savini, he know Savini brothers, he know Savini cousins, he know them. So sometimes our people, I stay Italy here 10 years now. I don't study them well. My brother, I don't see how they now they do my person. Now they don't pass paddy, brother, sister, now them don't pass. Even Nigeria with the trek, with the learn for where they dey.
So, bros, I want to ask you one question. You know, say Esa people, they help their people pass the way beneath it, they help their people.
Down 100% now. We right from time before. They're not the way they say they won't agree that
Esa people, they love themselves pass the way beneath they love themselves.
Yes, now.
I bet,
Yes,
bro.
nah.
That one, na 50-50. The same
No,
way
my
they say,
sister.
I be Esan, get you understand?
Now,
The
good
same way
evening,
they talk so. Now, so we see they
Hey.
talk
Yeah,
say,
wait,
I
the
greet the house.
people love themselves pass we.
I
You
greet the
understand?
house.
So the
Don't
thing
worry,
be
you want
like
to favor
50-50.
me,
Now
you
where
will
you
talk
not
now.
go, you not know. Now be this
Don Prince,
love of
I dey
it.
talk. That matter where you talk just now, where you say Asian I dey help pass. No, me will not generalize and you know understand because no tribe will not they not deceive bad egg. You know understand?
Thank you, my
Normal.
brother. You do well, bros.
Just
Now
I
God
know,
go bless you.
but
Now the
the
question
majority
where,
that they talk.
bros,
Now the
Bros,
majority,
the
that
majority
is.
that
Don
they
Prince.
talk.
Now good
For me,
evening, yo. Bros, wait, bros, you
Mona
don't
wey
pay
make
question.
favor
No
talk.
other
Mona wey
person
make
talk.
favor talk. Favor talk. God bless you.
Don Prince, now
I
God
beg,
go
bros,
bless
help
you.
me. I want to work.
Wetin I
Yes,
want
God
ask be
bless you.
say, this your platform. I hope not be tribalism. You may have ask that question.
No, nothing like
Not be
somebody
by
No.
because why? Because all of us now one, whether Bini or Asian or Romeo, everywhere will be one. So now that one I want fair ask before
Me
I
na
go
Benin
talk.
boy, oh, not
Me
fear.
na
I be Benin boy.
me na see Bini woman. So now make me fair ask you first. Okay.
Okay,
Now good evening, my fair
go
team.
straight to the point.
Okay, bros. The reason why I want fair ask one question for this big this brother when be big heart. You say Savini family, all of the joy politics. Nah, not very so. Say all
I
of
not
them.
talk so. I say whether you know them,
The
you
reason
understand?
why I
Because
want,
I never see
the
anybody
reason
they
why
say this one as
the
Savini
reason why
brother.
they ask, the reason why
Uh-huh.
they ask, Edo State, now we get and we be Benin. Every individual of Benin supposed to benefit for everything we be say that they do. This Italy when would they sue? If you calculate the people when they, they are citizen, if it be said only Edo State fit be the big pass Italy. For example, I'm just making it. The reason why they talk so, Italo fit dey feed as in foreigner. Why be say Edo State no fit feed foreigner? Edo State get many resources when we say we no know. When we say we get for that Edo State, 1. 2, what did they call am? We not get any development for that state. Everybody want go house, want go relax. Development not there those state. Me I don't say anything when we say I don't see all the old governor they come. Say one good development. I never see am. Road not good, light not there, school not good, hospital not good. We see the clapper, they join say make person see they put his brother for seats. When we supposed to dey fight say make Edo State better for us. When they call another man land, then they beat us, then they drive everybody. If I talk now, they'll say maybe body they pepper me. This country when would they so? Not be a wow, whether Italy Orlando, every part of the country we dey stay, not be our own. Our own home, we supposed to go home and fight for the rightful things because we dey another man land. They fight for their own before we come sit down. It say Italo not fight for their own. Nobody for do another man land. They fight, then make they get their own rights. Then make their citizens benefit for what they eat, for what they eat. So, but if we talk our own, can say, I don't say no they shine. But will they drag her like say no one kind big thing? If we ask, say why this one go put a brother for see, this one go enter. We're supposed to help another person we not know. Don't want make them help your brother. That one not make sense. More will not use any tribalism. More will come together. More will ask the reason why those states no they develop. I think another question. Don't praise I they see it for social media. What do you suppose to they ask now be down and say why those states no they develop? Not because they put my brother, I'll they sit, I'll come put my brother. I'll go they sit, I'll come put my sister. How the country want to
why will they here now? They arrest social media president.
Yeah, because wetin the man talk say Edo State no dey shine. If they say Edo State dey shine because now wetin I hear when wetin make me enter now wetin patient easy talk for Facebook now make me say make I enter whether you see the woman see dey now I take come here. He say he go Nigeria the way they reason and when they say Edo is shining he no see say Edo dey shine because he talk true come out not be brother go arrest her. I be not being, I be na me they made mistake. I be na wetin I know here when easy they talk just now. Now it make me when I listen to her, the thing touch me. Really, it touched me from my heart because why? Really, I don't say no they shine. When I take go house, I don't know they shine. I not get where be say better road there for it doing not day. If rain for house, they carry us. Bros, you dey Europe. Una when you see dey Europe, now see they talk say do they shine. Una when see dey Europe go see they clap pan for who they eat our money. Una when see dey Europe when people are supposed to they tell the truth. Una go see the truth, now go see the banner. Wait till una want come benefit for another man land. Now when they don't they pursue now no soon get home.
Madam, nobody
makes sense. My brother, I know I want to come down, so my brother, me you wait. I bet Mo will join hands together. Mo will tell me they release Eddie Murphy. If Eddie Murphy see come, I go come see tell use the man tell us say see wetin happen.
Share the video, guys. Share the video.
See wetin happen. Now don't be my opinion, bros. I bet me kuna no vex. Mo will join hands together. Me will they tell the governor whether not D7 make it try, make it get up for seats. We not put out for them, make it they look our eye and the brother. Make they get up, make they walk. Road not day, hospital not good, school not good. Light no day. Everybody they buy. That one they say me they go they buy generator. I pass my neighbor. You they use a pass my neighbor for year. You they use a pass my neighbor. They give you what do they call them? Maybe they work now. They hotel work. Hotel work. They use that like how many hours in a day. Where be say they know they use this their citizen.
You don't see my sister not verse. You don't see her for internet for UK.
Say waiting.
No. Wait, my sister. You they see and you they see.
I not see her.
Forget about past my neighbor, my sister. Forget about those ones. What do you want talk? If you even in Nigeria, what do you want talk? For sign say governor, not they do anything, not they do road. This one.
Bros, governor they do road.
Bros,
answer my question. Governor they do road. School day.
Madam, sorry to come in. You see, if we talk about road for Nigeria, nowhere road day, nowhere security day. All now the same thing.
My sister, those lie where you are.
Bro, let me talk. Let me laugh first. Before you come in now, we know the road this thing.
Now those states right from time. Those time of those states, they bezel the money. Nothing go war. Nothing go from nothing come back. You understand? After Igbinedion, who again? Whether now do
Oshomole.
Now Oshomole. Now even say
Oshomole. After Igbinedion, now Oshomole. Before this
all the governor where they come at those states. Even this my brother said Obaseki. Nothing where that guy do. You understand? So about politics.
Wetin me dey try to talk be say make we no dey clap and say first that one dey talk wetin the reason why I can enter up that one dey say na your brother he supposed to the brother supposed to dey benefit as he come from you now Not be everybody when they your as I want to make example. Not be your family people you want go put for post. Make it find employment for everybody, make them benefit. Whether the muffin I brother or the muffin not be brother or as the muffin want see benefit. Make the citizen all of us see benefit for the thing. I see come from Edo State because the way I take go last, not be waiting that they ride for home. Not be waiting that they ride for grant.
Yeah, madam.
They don't feel right out for grant. I don't want me they try to explain to una.
Yeah,
make we know they talk for us. They talk for social media. Make una let her they still reach your house. At least Edo State, Lagos they develop every blessed day. But Edo State, I never see one estate for Edo State. I never see one better place or say, nah, it be this one. No, you know they. The point when we say they give, una get platform. At least make una see the user till they tell they say, see Wetin good for Edo State, see Wetin not good for Edo State. Now don't want me they try to explain. The month you go come out, now he brother, he arrest the brother. If your brother come out, if you come out just now, you go talk what happen. Because I don't want me there. You go leave your brother. You go leave no man, you go leave your brother. You not go let your brother die there. Because you want holy brother, make it silent. If you hold the brother, you go to say we go fear. Now make a holy brother. So as you hold the brother, now you give us opportunity. When we say women will tell they talk about, they say they be bad governor. No maybe say more go they see said more go they see the good, more see they see the bad for inside. What they thought say now good. No, you holy brother for us to speak. What would they thought say they're good? So for now, I'm not to say they're not good because me I don't say anything when they do. Me say I want call the president say you do, you not do one.
My sister not better. I agree with you. See, Edo is shining. That boy where they shot that thing, Edo is shining. The day where they go beat and that teeth where they front, they go break that teeth come out. Edo is shining. Where they shine for Edo State, you go talk on one day.
Who talks Edo they shine?
Now that Urobo boy, I don't know. That boy where they na beneath there dey. Edo is shining. I don't see where they shine for Edo State there. Edo is shining.
I don't know the shine no.
That boy na Urobo. I don't know what they shine for Edo State there. Right from time.
Anybody where they Benin, I want bring anybody where they Benin come out. Anybody they watch us where they Benin live now, may give us reports. Please, if you know you are in Benin, you are here watching us. I want to hear reports from you. Edo they shine. I want to know what they happen for Edo State. Please send request. If you know you are watching us from Benin.
I just come up from Benin 2 days ago.
Shine Wetin.
Hello, priest.
I dey hear you. They talk. I dey hear you.
I just come up from Benin 2 days ago. Come back to Ghana. Edo, many places no good. We know. You understand? But wetin me not they too like about all these things. May we not they generalize and say, if my brother did there, I must be there too. Like somebody talk here, say, okay, fine. If there was a guy that came in, he said, if your brother did position, you know me say you must get one position where you go there. You think go to sell cars, you think go to sell bag of rice. They do business. You understand? That one another thing, but everybody must not take part because definitely the way we they take politics in our country, it be like say when you don't be politician, you are automatically a rich man. Your family are blessed, and of which is not supposed to be so. It's not supposed to be so. Sarkozy for France, you know how many years they give him, but he go do appeal. 1 time president, you know how many years they give him when they judge him? You understand? So now so Nigeria is supposed to be there. We've lost it all. We've lost it all. Every of our resources, every of our refinery, every money that they chop and they take, they do their own. What can we do? We can't die. Now they hold gone, now they hold win so. Now they go gone. We don't hold anything. They don't cash out now. I think nobody know where he is now. But even the Deco now, you want to go fight now, you can't get to where he is. You can't get to where he is.
Gomez, you don't come back again, bro.
You don't want my come back. Because he saw where Osabo come they talk to me and here. That woman can cash that.
I don't talk to you. You know they call me Obote.
They own me. My brother, if you know my standard, then you know go home. Where shall more your bone?
As I hear say, you say you go back to Ghana 2 days ago. Now
I don't come down. Don't go cook. Not too bad.
Okay, I did Ghana. These are the top.
You know you are in Benin. You are watching us. Please send me request.
I did
Okay, thank you, my sister. Thank you.
Okay, sister, favor. Bye bye.
Okay, quick one. Ma, just make I just talk. You see, like you see, what you understand? You see,
If you know say you dey Benin, send me request. FA wife, when I let this FA wife talk.
No,
FA wife, I better talk.
Are they come to priest? What do you mean one know? Is Edo shiny or Edo is not shiny?
It's not shiny.
Edo's not shining.
It's not shiny now.
They go arrest you now, my people. They go arrest you now. They go arrest you now.
May they get out.
If anybody say Edo is not shiny,
Go away to Boo. Go away to Boo. Go Siloko Road. Go.
if you say Edo is not shiny, my brother, they go arrest you. They go pick you.
Go get that
DSS go
barak. Go
pick
get that
you.
barak. For there.
If you say Edo is not shiny, DSS go pick you. I know come out for you. Oh, when I leave the
Oh, police yes.
I know the way I talk.
Now, good evening.
Good evening. Hey, talk to us.
I won't contribute.
I beg wait for the talk.
say-
Wait for the talk too.
I say, get one brother when he talk, say, which qualification a parent gets for a brother to take empower. First and foremost, the brother not get qualification, but he speak out for him to become who he be today.
That's true.
Look
That's
at
true.
him as a brother, right? Without having qualification, but he use his own illiterate. According to you people, you not get standard, you not get school qualification. He use the little illiterate when he get a stand for him brother win. Okay, that aside, perhaps the man is not even demanding for position now. As a responsible elder brother, he came out and said, "This road is not good. Do it well. Do it well, because I stood by you. I can pay for you. So what will I be telling people that I once told that my brother can do this, my brother will do that, my brother will do this? Okay, now the man is trying to say, do it well. He wasn't even referring to you alone. He was referring to everybody involving in the channel. So why taking it personal on him? Okay, that aside, another thing again, a panel get qualification, as you all said, but the same a pass 2019 for
No be as you all
prostitution.
said, my sister. No be as you all said. We don't
Now
talk
me
that
talk
one.
up. Now me talk up.
Please,
Na Gomez.
can I finish first?
Na
please?
Gomez talker.
Now Gomez, we'll talk to Gomez. I
A
beg you.
pass 2
Gomez, when I let this girl talk, I beg.
A pass 2 in 2019 say no to human trafficking, say no to prostitution. He fought and he won it. I dare Europe, yeah, get some office.
Point of correction. Not be as you all said. Point of correction. Not be as you all said. Okay.
I'm okay, wait.
Sabo, if like say your network dey late, where you dey? Where you dey? You know they quit a year something. You
Please,
far.
can I say something?
You far from your phone. That make you know they quit a year. Madam, carry on.
Okay. I said
I want that
2019. The same person one they say na illiterate, he not get something to talk about him brother, or he not get anything to talk about those states, make it stay Europe as some of you say. But the same man stood and fight for people, children, not being picking not they do prostitution for abroad. But this man stood and fight. There are some office you go here in Europe, they'll say, but this man, your Monaco have stopped prostitution. I will say yes. Who bring out who fight the fight is Epidemorphe. So let's be real here.
Yeah, we will be real. But let me come in there. You see?
Please, I'm not true, please.
Wait, no,
Let
but
me
you be
finish
talking
first.
now. Let me just before we forget.
Please now, no, let me finish. If I finish, I'm waiting to you.
Gomez, the person they talk, let on land. Huh?
Yeah, but the thing is that, bros, sorry to cut you short, madam. Mr. Wonder, you see, say when somebody they talk, now debating kind of debate with this. So if somebody they talk, if you talk too long, you go forget
Wait,
most of
now, wait. If you go talk, make I talk first. I go mute, you go talk. Most of us for this Europe, now our elder brother or our junior sister, and I bring us come Europe. We not come by our hand. If you do on top as a brother, if everything is not money, I didn't say share money.
My
Epa
people,
already has a
my
name.
sister,
He
wait
also
one
has a
minute.
platform.
Mr. Wonder, and I be my this thing here. And I go to control the people who they talk. I beg. Okay? When are they talk? Now hear me, so Mr. Wonder, if you tell them to stop, your person goes now they listen to her. 1 minute.
Where you now?
I deal with now they want do one or two things. So I beg, when are
Please,
they
can I
continue the
continue?
matter?
Can continue. Please, where you dey go?
Continue, my
Wonder,
sister, continue.
If a wife, continue. You got 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So the same man, you understand? So what am I trying to say? Make una no talk say he dey fight for position. He's not fight for position. He's trying to make the state, Edo State, for great for everybody, even for me. I am from Edo State. Tomorrow, I'm probably tired of this place. I want to go back to my state. If my state is not good, how can I take my kids there? So we all are fighting for the betterment of the future of our children. So let's be sentimental here, saying he's looking for post. What post? Did
Okay.
they arrest him for post, or they are arresting him because he said the road is not good?
Okay. Thank you very much, madam. Mr. Wonder, so the
Gomez, you never reach your turn. Wait, not be you.
now, but you know, say that me the woman they refer to.
No.
Okay.
She talk a mad. Now man should talk. Then, Mr. Evans, unmute yourself. May you talk to us.
Yeah.
Mr. Evans.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I don't really know wetin dey happen because I just come back for work.
Okay, bros, you first listen first.
Wait,
Okay.
make I tell her. We are talking about the Murphy. You know, say the arrest am for Nigeria, and my brother, now be the deputy governor of Edo State, because of regarding to video we made, we said though it's not shiny. You know, feel quiet because your brother did it. He go talk truth. You know, we are all discussing about it.
Okay. You know, okay, I see that video, you know. I see that video. You know, Wetin Eddie Murphy talk. You know, talk bad, you know. You know, say that man already fight for all those kind of corruption of a thing, you know. Even like our sister they talk just now, say 2019, I also watched that video. I don't understand. So I don't know whether I'm plank or because I think that Deco he did loyal to Ishinobra, you know, because I know Deco very well, you know. I know whether Nari. I don't understand. I just hear and I see they arrest the Murphy.
Now breaking news. Yeah.
So now the good thing now the Murphy they talk. Now the betterment of the Edo people. I told us I not be say me can't cut money given. I even try if now some people when we even gather did this bra from so now their brother did that kind post they will even cover for their bra me take get post and the Murphy not did that kind category now. If they fight for the people, for the masses. So I will say the Murphy is good for them, you know. Now big thing now they do for Edo people. You know, cover say maybe because a brother did that post, may cover the bad. May say brother they do good, may forget post, he say no. So all those things I believe it's in a prank. The Murphy will come out. I don't understand. So now who get bra from, who get the big bra from, may everybody come out, talk, waiting at the Murphy they talk. May they reach where he brother they. Because for those stay there, if you accept you accept people when we say you know they travel. I don't understand. If you look Nigeria, na those states, na poor pass for the old Nigeria. I don't understand.
Evans, let's say affair. Maybe if you come down, you never notice the apple. Maybe they comment section, they read comment. So that means
Come on, talk now.
From there, you will see what the apple. Okay. Don't vex my brother Evans. You just dey come for work. Try make you know what the apple before you enter life.
Yeah, he not know the topic.
You know your topic. You know what they play.
Prince,
Bros, I agree to you.
my talk.
Gomez not be only you there here. May you wait.
I bet this woman. I want to reply this woman where it talks since now.
Okay, what do you tell her? What do you want to?
No, not be even because of this. They say all work without play make Jack say door boy. You understand? You see this woman
Say they stay for Benin, send request. I want to interview Benin person where they stay Benin right now.
You see,
you are staying in Benin, send request.
We need people where they do there, where they Benin.
People where they those states. You know,
before they come now, we not feel quiet now. Me everywhere you're done.
They talk now. Nobody hold you. They talk.
Gomez, may you talk now with the hear you.
So the woman come just now. He asked so many questions. He say the Murphy fight in 2019. Even the other guy confirmed it. He say fight for human trafficking, all those things. You know, people always they talk cannot be from today, not be yesterday, from years back. They don't they talk. You see, me myself, sometimes I go want ask questions. Are they curious?
So, man, wait first. I bring one person. Please say this guy is still Benin. Bros, me and something. What did be your name when you and you bring or talk? Are you staying in Benin?
Everybody. I know I'm not staying in Benin. I live in Italy. I wanted to contribute my own part. Good evening, everybody.
Oh yeah, contribute now. Let's hear your part.
So man,
good evening, sirs.
Wow.
Wait, you don't dey yes. You dey yes. The list.
Please, this is not the moment that we should be arguing. Okay, who is right and who is wrong? The major point here is Epai Murphy has always been in the positive side of the Edo people. He has always wanted that state to be human rights place. Okay, he has yes. At times the way he approaches some issues is not the way we want him to approach it. We understand that part. Okay. But look at what is inside, what is really saying, the message is passing. Like this particular one, like our brother just said, maybe it is prank, maybe it is not a prank. Whether it's a prank or it's not a prank, but we should try and fight for him so that they will not try and silence us. Because for them want to use him as a scapegoat, it shows that if they can do this to his own brother, any other person is just a trash before them. We should not forget that part. And that is why I so much appreciate every men and women all over the world that stood for VDM when they were trying to oppress him. If not, that boy would have not been who he is today.
They want silence this man, so they want silence.
Yeah, they want to silence. They want to silence the Murphy. Any other person cannot talk.
They want silence the Murphy.
I still have.
They want
silence parents in that country. I still have siblings in that state. Today, if that state is good, trust me, I'm the number one that wants to go back there. Okay, we've been here for years. We've been benefiting from the social amenities here. Is it bad for our own parents to also enjoy those things over there? Please, if somebody is saying something that, what is not what I thought, that is not what I'm seeing right now. You understand? It's like what I ordered versus what I got. That is what Eddie Murphy came out to say. I ordered this kind of thing, no, but that is not what they are showing to me. He has the right to say it. Is it because of his brother that he cannot say it? If we allow them to silence Eddie Murphy, trust me, we are doomed. We are doomed because Eddie Murphy is close to his brother. We are talking about blood brother here. If we should allow them to silence him, please, we should not look at the negative part of Eddie Murphy. Whether you like him or you don't like him, let's stand for justice. Let's stand for the truth. Please, let every one of us join hands together as a family that we are. Edo to the world. Please, I'm begging everybody. Please, Nima we go with us. Woira we vision wala wa we gbeme yo wala wo o mo working. E can even say e we tase na wa do mo wa to wa.
Try. Well, why you for my sister? You are kakabo. You are very right. What are you? Who want to talk now? I will give. Okay, Gomez. Where you talk?
Okay. I got to say, man.
Gomez, wait. You don't talk. Me, I never talk before.
Osabo, Osabo, you know me before. No, Osabo. You know me before. Have you seen me before?
No, Gomez, your time they go. You go finish now.
No, man. I never start. You know, so waiting with the try to be say, that woman don't talk just now. She broke my conversation. But the thing is that when they say somebody they fight for something, you are an activist. But when you're an activist, you make a movement. You see VDM, they move. When sometimes in here way people will want to eat me raw for this, so they'll say I hate not they talk, but I talk from based on my own experience and my own mentality. Maybe it's still good. I know say go back to some people. Then when you fight for something, you see VDM, he moves, he went to our cheap. You understand? When somebody was fighting for human trafficking, when would they talk all these years? Sometimes I begin to wonder. somebody that was fighting for human trafficking. He never left his son's room. If na front of computer, now they shot there. Even a Ranomigo,
My brother, what you dey talk? See, let me
when passport issue come now, Baba, I know say you will always smash me.
You are totally out of point here.
No, not be out of point. When somebody, when a Ranomigo, Mudanegu, end of government, yeah, finish it, then you can tell me what I said wrong. When a passport issue happened for Germany, a Ranomigo left America, he came to Italy or Germany or something. He came to Europe. On a placard. On a road that with one of the embassies.
Ranomigo, where go the Ranomigo do kan? Eto ya can go lele.
Oja bros, Oja can go. Oja can go. Omaya can go. But he was on ground.
Let the prince come person come up.
Yeah, you understand? He was on ground. So that is that's when you are really fighting for something. That's when you know. So on here issue no roto now. But if they get
Gomez, you don't do person
when you are clear, you know.
Gomez.
Yeah.
2020. Somebody took my sister from Edo State to.
Thief your sister.
Took her from Edo State.
Yeah.
To Africa country.
Yeah.
You understand? For their illegal job. You understand? So nobody knows our whereabouts. My parents went to the police station to report. So we are looking for her. We thought maybe they've kidnapped her or one or two because she's the baby of the house. So one day, number called me and said, this person I'm talking is not up to 18 years. She's 17 years. And she's still, and she has not no man yet. You understand? So she called me and she was crying on phone. I said, what happened? He said, she no know say na so the place be. Say she for not come. Say they break. Their madam say me they go hustle come. You understand? I said, okay, give your madam the phone. You understand? I talked with the madam. I said, who do you tell before taking her to this place? She was saying, she not tell me say she be small pikin, blah blah blah. She say rubbish. I said, okay, no problem. I ended the call. I called Epa Murphy. So when I called Epa Murphy, he said, okay, I should forward the woman's number and everything. So I told the woman that this person cannot do this job. He said the girl is just telling her that she has not no man yet. I said, yes, she's a baby. It's her friend that lure her and you accept. And they said, no human trafficking anymore, and you're still doing it. So we were bargaining price. And the Murphy told me that I should comply with the woman. I shouldn't worry. So we were bargaining price. The woman said I should go and bring 1.5 before she will release my sister. So I called my parents and they said, okay, they will pay the money. So but they were telling the woman that don't allow her to do anything. You understand? So the woman sent account to me. So when the woman sent account to me, I forwarded the 1.5 million to her. She also requested, and she used a Benin, as in a Benin account from Benin to receive the money. You understand? She also called me again and said I should also bring 400,000 to bring back my sister. Epa said, don't worry, comply. They will pay all the money. I said, okay. I sent her the 400,000. He said, okay, they are preparing my sister. My sister will be coming back, blah, blah, blah. So they take her, they take my sister back. So when my sister get to Benin, Epa sent for the arrest of the person because the woman gave my sister something to give to the family when she get back home. So through that place, Epa got involved.
Yeah, the bottom line is that Epa fought for you personally as well.
Not for me alone.
Yeah, no, personal as well. People. I said as well. Okay, fine. But how much did you pay Epa for that job?
I swear to God Almighty, I didn't pay by time.
Right, okay, you did give Epa money for that job, but there were some persons that came out online that they were paying Epa for that action. You know, fine, even though they pay or they didn't pay, but that's not my business. But what I'm trying to say is that if you are an activist and you are going for something, and you must be in the forefront. You see VDN.
Abroad is not
You know,
Nigeria,
I
fam.
gave no, I
Abroad
gave
is
an
not
example.
Nigeria. I cannot go
Wait.
work front.
I dey
Abroad,
come.
abroad is
I dey
not
come,
give an
Nigeria.
Mr.
example.
Wait, I dey come. I
Yeah.
dey come, Mr. Gomez. Wait, Mr.
Yeah.
Gomez, see. You know, say English, they talk and say, if you dey seek for equity, you go with clients, you know?
Yeah.
One thing what I want to tell you, maybe you dislike my
No,
brother.
no, we say I just like you know go
Wait,
understand me.
listen,
Wonder.
listen. Maybe you dislike him, or you don't like he talk, or you don't like he believe, or you don't like he doings. But they say if person dey problem. Bible will say if person dey happy, follow happy. If they sad, still follow happy.
That's cool.
So that because you don't know the day where your all go happen. What we dey talk here? We are just talking. Just what in English called contribution. You don't understand?
Oh.
Everybody else they get their thought and their thinking. You get it, Fatty. But at the time, since when you talk here, since all your talks, now your zero interest. You know the remorse for what happened to this man.
No,
And it's
if
not
I
fair.
not dey happy, I not dey here now. Although not say I dey do anything here, but I not go supposed to dey here dey contribute. But the thing that one is bad.
Agree the house, so agree to everybody. Wanna wait. Agree the house. Bros, wanna wait. Agree the house. See, now see what this girl talk just now. If your wife, you dey hear me so? Do you believe say as we dey talk about the Murphy, somebody came out to give testimony of what a the Murphy have done? Hey, who did that? Who did? So all of us see inside this conversation, somebody came out to say a good evidence and the testimony of what a the Murphy have done for her. So this boy now, you are trying to condemn what this man have. You will ask this girl, how much do you pay? The girl say not drop any money. Now you are not here. My brother, I'm not going to bring you back again. You don't even know what you dey talk. Okay. You hear that so for somebody to give testimony of for what this man done, my brother, nobody will give testimony for you. You where they talk here, sis. Nobody will give testimony for you. Nobody don't come here now. Why I don't carry climb now? Where you go talk say a pair the Murphy see what you doing bad. Somebody is giving a testimony of a human trafficking matter that someone traffic a sister to Europe, I don't know, or Africa country, I don't know. Right now, he cried to somebody, he did not see help there. But when he cried to Eddie Murphy, he saw help. And he's trying to explain, you don't let the girl talk finish. You try to cut everything for a man. Now me even fuck up why I take carry later. My sister, if a wife, I bet tell us wetin Eddie Murphy do for you. And you know say I not there, but I dey hear small. I bet tell us wetin Eddie Murphy do for you. I take help you about that human trafficking matter. Talk and the whole world they hear you. My sister talk am. Hello, you still there here?
Epa, good evening. I said 2020, person carry my sister go Africa country, my small sister. So we come feel say na kidnap am, they come dey look for her. So my parents come go police station, go complain, say their pikin dey miss. Yeah. So we were waiting, maybe those people go call us for ransom and all of that. So nothing like that. So on a fateful day, my sister come call. She come dey cry for phone. She come talk say,
good evening, bros.
Good evening.
She come dey cry for phone. She come talk say she no know say where she dey, so na so the place be she for no come, make we help am.
Yeah.
So now come say where they come say they whether na Ivory Coast abi na Niger, I don't know, but na Africa country. So now come say okay, make he give the madam the phone.
The phone, yeah.
So now madam come tell me say other girls don't go work. The reason why my sister never go work be say my sister dey explain to her say she never know man. So but no be wetin dey tell her for phone when they wan find girls for her be that one. Now say yes, na small pikin 17 years. So now the woman come talk say right now, if we not bring money, must tell my sister go find money, because na money she take carry my sister. So she come say me and I come back, she come say make I bring 1.5. So now I call it pa. I call it pa cause say truth. Now I say yes. Cause okay, make I send her the woman number. Now pa tell me say make I comply with the woman, I no worry. So the woman can send account number. Can't give us account number we send give us na Edo State. You understand the person name and everything na Edo, but the woman na Asian woman. So now I can carry the pack say I send her the account number, can send her pack can give me lawyer. You understand? So pack tell lawyer everything. Come pack say make I follow the woman they talk, make the woman for no understand. Say see what they come for her. So after I don't give the woman 1.5, the woman say I need to bring 400,000 again. Me go take return my sister come Nigeria. So I can say call Papa, say me I no worry, make I give the woman. Cause if not be say we work when they as in things we get for her. If for by himself just fly go to African country, go carry the girl by himself. And so okay, send the woman 400,000. So my sister punish her. So God won't punish the woman. The woman can't give my sister things. Make it give him family if he reach us, you understand? Because we do it in a peaceful way. So the woman don't know say anything they come for her. Can't give my sister things, may give the family. So as my sister come down, the park way from one call, they got tell the park on send police, they can't go meet her for them. So as the whole and the come and say where she they go, who get all those things, she can't talk because okay, make call the people, make they can carry the thing. You understand? Now I got to arrest the man. Now the woman husband account. That stop. Now the woman husband bank account, now the woman, the wife use. You understand? So now they can arrest the man. You understand? So to cut the story short, after I don't arrest him now, the money, my own money, they can't give me back. Because a part of the woman say no concern now, you not tell the family of this girl before you carry their sister.
The police, na public police for you, na use the police to arrest her.
Na public police, na public lawyer.
The public police, the public lawyer.
Yes.
So as you arrest the woman, now you collect the 1.5 million.
The woman husband, not in Nigeria. The woman husband.
Okay, they arrest the woman husband.
Yes, when my sister want to give load to.
Okay.
Because the woman give my sister load, may give a family. You understand? So when they come arrest the woman husband, now the woman husband account number, now the money even take. You understand? So what am I trying to say?
No, now as they arrest the woman husband, everything, your sister money, everything they bring her, and your sister they bring your sister come back.
Yes, my sister come out, the money come out. Only money when I know say I can't live for them because the thing come, my parents come say tell me say extra money she take come back. That's only 400,000.
So now after they read justice for you, Abi?
A partner fighter, yes.
When I clap for a sister, how they think they do TikTok class?
And they come. I want
class. When I clap for a partner, not to say now good news. Now it talk. So more listen to this.
They don't see this one. They're not going to see this good side of a power. They're not see how.
They're not going to see how.
I want to ask question before I make my submission.
Also, talk to us.
I beg this the arrest of this guy. So what does the personal benefit people have gained from him personally, or the impact he have made, to the state or to the community at large? What does he have to do with the arrest, by the state government? Please.
No, the state government arrest her now. Say he go to do video. Say Edo is not shining. You understand me? So he go to do all those pothole where they been. He go to show and they give people say Edo the smell. Edo is not shining. So maybe people change the narrative. Say maybe they talk say Edo they shine. Meanwhile, Edo is not shining. So the thing come pain the brother. So the brother, not like his junior brother, and be deputy governor of Edo State. So now the junior brother was not happy. So as we are hearing now say Now junior brother send DSS make they pick am. So now today, now he be the trap they call Jamie because this social media president they live on Jamie with the family. So now like 2 weeks or 1 week plus, now he just may go do for Nigeria. So now as today, now be the day when one move. As he one move now DSS pick am. As we are talking now, we don't know where DSS carry and go. They say DSS, so say they Abuja, so say they Port Harcourt, so say they Zamfara. So now the problem we are passing through now, we don't know where this man dey right now. DSS sees am now. He's not in Edo State.
Okay. Well, let me make my submission on this issue. Thank you very much for elaborating on the issue. Me, I am from Edo State too, and I am aware he is the brother, the elder brother to the deputy governor of Edo State.
Of Edo State.
Now,
Deputy governor of Edo State.
if you let me make this clear, they will not do anything to him. To be sure and to be fair, they won't do anything to him. I believe the reason why he was arrested, I believe he made statements, and there was allegations he made against the state. If you take a close attention to some of the videos he made, you understand that he made a statement at some point that he is aware they all knew how this present governor got into office. You know, he know, and all of their APC, whatever how he put it, that they all know how the governor got into office. You know, when you look at that statement, you see that there is something that have to do with allegation, and something also have to do with defamation of character of the governor. So I believe this is why he was arrested, and I also believe if he have proof and evidences to back some of these things he alleged online, I believe they won't do anything to him. He will be released. I believe he is just
my brother, do you know how many people that be doing all these things in Benin? Brother Mac, everybody know Brother Mac. Brother Mac have been going around showing people that there is a bad road in Benin. That the road in Benin is disgusting in so many areas. Brother Mac have been doing it for a very long time. So why have they not arrested Brother Mac? Why is it that they are going to? Why is it that is this man they want to use to show example of arrest?
Okay. Thank you very much. We all know the state of the roads in Benin or Edo State at large is dilapidated. There's nothing to write home about. We all know that is a fact. The thing is, you can understand that today, as we speak, there's a political dispute and tension in Edo State, and certain rivals are trying to play games, politically when it comes to when you have to do with these things. So I don't think there is any cause for alarm. The reason why he is detained, of course, they will certainly let him know he will be eligible to have a lawyer and everything to defend him. So I believe we should lie low. Let's not speculate or
bros. Let me quickly tell you something. For example, bro, if for example now your old junior brother is the deputy governor of Edo State, the same father, the same mother, and when you were coming as a deputy governor, you fought for him, you use your platform and mobilize so many presenters, social media activists, social media presenter. You understand? You use your platform to fight for your junior brother to become a deputy governor. Now God now did it for you, and you win, and you are the senior brother to this your junior brother that is a deputy governor. Now you came home. Now maybe there are some dispute, maybe I don't know what to say, but the man have been complaining that this his brother is not helping anybody, and even the people he used to work for him, he has not helped anybody. He has not shown any rumors, any rumor that he's trying to help anybody that have fought for him. You understand? People are calling this man that we fight for you. You are the one that call us. Now you will not give us anything. What did they happen? One night I will not see. So this man now that they call his brother not the answer. So now his brother they feel all these things when they do, his brother they see him. But when this guy now go Nigeria now, Benin now, okay, since me they call you, they talk to you, they hear. Okay, make me show some kind of things where they happen now. Now that one brother can't see. Now that one they can't see. You understand me? So for me, maybe e get reason wetin make am show this thing, because he dey see am say e junior brother wey suppose dey follow am or wey dey suppose dey d'accord, e junior brother no dey follow am dey d'accord well. E come be like say junior brother don throw am for one side. And allegedly, as I'm saying now, e get one of their brother again wey dey come out for chairman for Ovia, and I dey hear now say the deputy governor no support am. You know, and this is senior brother wey dey come out for Ovia. He is the one that have been helping this deputy governor. The one, the way they talk, even they carry go Canada, they talk many things that this year, and allegedly now say this deputy governor no even they send them.
Well,
so my brother, if na you, how you go feel?
Well, of course I will feel bad, but on the long run, I believe that would be the issue between me and my brother, or rather if he's my relative. So I believe there are more diplomatic elements or ways to address issues like not fighting of the media. And again, I want to quickly